Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video we're going to talk about the Didriksons Plaskeman waterproof dungarees. Okay, so here are the dungarees. They are such a useful piece of outdoor kit. I would recommend them to anyone. Let's talk about first the waterproofing on the fabric. So they're made from Didriksons' own galloon fabric, which is a PU based fabric, and the great thing about it for kids clothing is it's very waterproof, and B, it doesn't need a lot of looking after. It can withstand quite a lot of rough and tumble and going down slides and all the rest of it. So I'll just show you quickly what happens when we chuck some water on it. So I've got a little thing here. So you can just see the water simply just beads off and runs off the fabric. So this really is, if your child likes sitting in puddles, then these dungarees are going to keep them dry. They're brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Let's talk about the features then, top to bottom. So you've got shoulder straps over the top here. I just turn this chap round. You'll see you've got some buckles to adjust it on the back, and also you'll see just how high the dungarees come as well. And then at the front here you've got a couple of clips which you can easily pop off and pop back on again. To be honest, when these are set up, most children just pull them over their shoulders anyway, but you can adjust them here if you need to. And then you've got a popper under each arm just to reduce some of the bulk of the dungarees when you're wearing them. And then let's just talk briefly about the seams. The seams are all welded together, so they're not sewn and taped like other waterproof garments will be. Again, this just means really, really durable, and it's just another thing you don't need to worry about failing on you. And then if we just go down to the bottom here, you've got a high-vis strip round both legs. The bottom of the ankle is elasticized, and then you've got a foot strap which runs from the outside here right under your boot and up the other side. So the idea is the foot strap keeps the dungarees pulled down nice and tightly up against your boots. Let's just talk a bit about sizing. So these dungarees here are for size age 3 to 4, and that's a European size 100. So the European size is really useful because what that means is they're designed for a child that's about 100 centimetres tall in height. So they go up from 90, 100, 110, all the way up to 140. So it's really handy if you're buying in for the first time to Didrikson, just look at your child's height and then go for the size that matches that most closely. For example, if a preschool were buying, or a nursery were buying a set of these for age sort of 2 up to 4 to 5, we'd probably say if they were after 20 sets, we'd be looking at maybe 16 size 100, 14 size 100, 3 size 90 and 3 size 110, just to give a good spread for the children of different heights. So yeah, brilliant dungarees. And one more thing to just tell you about is if you do end up tearing them, like on barbed wire or something like that, not to worry, because Didriksons do a repair patch kit here, which is just a bit like a puncture repair patch that you can just iron on. And they also do spare silicone foot straps as well that are down the bottom. I'll put the links for those. We've done separate videos on those in the comment section below. But yeah, really good. If someone was going to ask me one piece of kit that they should buy for their children, honestly, I would say a pair of waterproof dungarees. They're so versatile, and they just allow your child to go out, have fun, get muddy, and it's just not a bother. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any comments, please put them in the section below and we'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it. It really helps us. Many thanks.